guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a haul video. I purchased a few products from H&M and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I purchased. Also the try on will be at the last part of this video, so if you want to just see that part then you can skip it. So if you're interested in this video then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now quickly let's get started. I brought some trendy yet classic products from H&M. So let's start with the footwear. I bought two heels from from H&M. So let's start with the first footwear that I got. This is their beige kind of a footwear heels, which is quilted, as you can see. It is very comfortable and also so classy and trendy at the same time. I really love wearing this. You can almost pair it up with any outfit. I used to wear it with my skirt or dress, even with my trousers. This one looks really beautiful. It is for $14.99 and I love the color of this shoe. It is beige. It is kind of my aesthetic. The part which really stands out is this quilted pattern they have. It is really pretty. Another pair of heels that I bought is this one. It is grey in color. It is a braided sponge kind of. Straps are braided and spongy and is really comfortable. I also like the heel size. Now this pair is for rupees 19.99. Also I love this square toe, so that's why I almost bought both of these pair with a square toe. It looks really good. I love how beautiful this part is. You know, I love a pair of heels that has a square toe. Now this pair, just like the other one, goes with almost every outfit. It is very classy but also comfortable at the same time. And I got a dress. It's a party wear dress from H&M. It is for $14.99. Now this one is a black grayish kind of a stunning dress which is shimmery. It's perfect for any parties or pubs or night outs that you have. You can wear this dress. It's a bodycon dress. It fits perfectly and looks very stunning and sexy at the same time. Also the sleeve is puffed, so I really love these kind of sleeves. It has a deep neckline and the sleeves is puffed. Also this part of the dress is kind of ruffled, so I really love this one, but it is a bodycon dress. It perfectly fits and hugs your body and gives your body a very good shape. Look at how stunning this dress is. It is shiny, shimmery, black and sexy. Make sure to skip to the later part of this video to see my try on. So I really enjoy H&M's accessories. They have very trendy accessories. Also they don't get ruined super fast, so I love it. I bought these pair of earrings. These are the basic hoops. I love wearing hoops on a daily basis, so I purchased these two. These hoops are minimalist and classy. Both of these came for rupees 3.99 and it's very easy to pair it up with anything. These kind of hoops go with almost every kind of outfit and look, so I really find it really classy and easy to wear, and I think this is a must-have accessory. Then I have few basic tees that I almost wear every day or pair up with a trouser, jeans, sometimes skirt. So let's check it out. First I have this cami. It is blue in color and have strappy sleeves. It is for rupees 2.99. This is like my almost everyday kind of a wear. I wear it with trouser, with jeans, with joggers. I pair it up with almost everything and it is very comfortable to wear. Then I have this basic white tank that I need almost like every day. These are the basic tops that you need on an everyday basis. You can pair it up with almost everything. So I have a good pair of white tank top. Another one I have is in the shade grey. So I have one white pair and a grey pair. This is a must have. Both of them are for rupees 3.99. Also the material is super soft and comfortable. Then I have two crop tops for rupees 399, one in a lavender shade, another in a blue shade. Another basic top for everyday wear, super comfortable. This is another crop top. It is for rupees 699. It is a grayish, light grayish kind of beige kind of a crop top. Now this one is ribbed and is super comfortable to wear. All these basics and I almost wear them like every day. These are my go-to kind of outfits that I wear whenever I'm out. I pair these basic tees, tops, tanks with any of my trousers, joggers and whatever. Then I have this crop top. It is for 699 rupees. It's a beautiful pastel green kind of color, perfect for summers, super comfortable, super trendy at the same time. Again, good for trousers, for jeans or joggers. Also you can pair it up with your skirt as well. Really enjoy wearing this one as well. Then I got this bag. It is for rupees 1499 and I love how the print is. It is kind of, you know, animal, tropical kind of print, but it is like aesthetic. You can pair it up with almost everything because it is black and white. Also you have a beautiful strap which makes it more comfortable to hang around. But there is no closure like button or chain anything. It is like open. It fits quite a lot of thing in here. So I would take this out with me on a day out or brunch with my friends, family. So this is perfect like day kind of a bag. They also have the bigger version of this one, like a bigger size. Same print, same thing, just a bit bigger, but I prefer a smaller one because it is more easy to carry around. my H&M haul. If you guys liked it, then give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't. Now thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.